The 2025 GMC Savana 3500 remains a strong contender in the full-size van segment, offering durability, versatility, and power for commercial and fleet use. Built on a rugged body-on-frame platform, this van continues to prioritize practicality over modern styling, catering to businesses that require a reliable workhorse. The exterior design remains largely unchanged, with a boxy structure that maximizes cargo capacity and provides ease of access for loading and unloading. Under the hood, the 2025 model offers a selection of powertrains, including a standard 4.3-litre V6 engine producing 276 horsepower and 298 lb-ft of torque. For those requiring more power, an optional 6.6-litre V8 engine delivers 401 horsepower and 464 lb-ft of torque, ensuring sufficient performance for heavy loads and towing. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, which, while somewhat outdated compared to modern multi-speed units, remains dependable and easy to maintain. Towing capacity is a strong point, with the Savana 3500 capable of hauling up to 10,000 pounds when properly equipped. This makes it a competitive choice for those who need to transport heavy trailers, equipment, or materials. Payload capacity is equally impressive, with configurations supporting up to 4,300 pounds depending on the chosen model and specifications. The interior of the 2025 Savana 3500 focuses on function over luxury, providing a no-nonsense cabin designed for work. The materials are durable, with hard plastics and simple controls that can withstand heavy use. Seating is available in multiple configurations, accommodating up to 15 passengers in the extended version, or offering a cavernous cargo area for transport and storage needs. Despite its utilitarian design, GMC has integrated some modern technology, including a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, ensuring connectivity for drivers and passengers. Safety remains a priority, with standard features including forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and a rear-view camera to assist in parking and maneuvering. Additional options include blind spot monitoring and rear parking sensors, which are particularly useful given the van's large dimensions. While not as technologically advanced as some newer competitors, the Savana 3500 provides essential safety tools for commercial applications. Ride quality remains firm but controlled, with a suspension setup designed to handle heavy loads. Steering is responsive for a vehicle of this size, though maneuverability in tight spaces can be challenging. Road noise is noticeable, especially at highway speeds, but this is expected given the van's focus on utility rather than luxury refinement. Fuel economy is a notable drawback, as the large V8 engine consumes more fuel compared to modern turbocharged alternatives. The V6 version provides slightly better efficiency, making it a more economical choice for businesses that prioritize operational costs over outright power. Customization remains one of the key advantages of the Savana 3500, with various wheelbase options, interior layouts, and upfitting solutions available. Whether used as a cargo van, passenger transport, or specialty vehicle, this model provides the flexibility needed for diverse business applications. While competitors like the Ford Transit and Mercedes-Benz Sprinter offer more modern designs, advanced features, and better fuel efficiency, the Savana 3500 continues to appeal to buyers who prioritize durability, simplicity, and towing capability. Its traditional body-on-frame construction ensures long-term reliability, making it a preferred choice for industries that require a dependable vehicle for tough jobs. Despite the lack of major updates, the 2025 GMC Savana 3500 remains a solid choice in the commercial van market. Its powerful engine options, high towing and payload capacities, and straightforward design make it well suited for businesses that need a rugged and practical vehicle. Though it may lack the technological advancements of some competitors, its reputation for reliability and ease of maintenance ensures it remains relevant for fleet operators and work-focused buyers.